The last app you want to be unsafe is the one with your child's live location. And since it's one of the most popular parental control apps on the market, in today's Qustodio review, we'll see if this provider is up to par with our security expectations. As I mentioned, parental control apps can store some of the most important information in a household, and Qustodio is no exception. From your child's live location, browsing activity, and screen time habits, to device details and parental account access. If the security is weak, then the tool that's meant to protect your family could expose the very data parents trusted it with. So the question at hand is Qustodio safe enough to keep this information from exposure? To answer that question, let's look at the security measures the Qustodio Parental app has in place. First off, any data sent between your devices and its systems is encrypted in transit, so it's protected while traveling across the internet. This parental control software helps reduce the risk of interception when syncing activity reports, location updates, or account information. What's more, Qustodio also encrypts your credit card numbers and stores them in a secure, certified data center, so even payment handling is protected. It uses Chargebee as its billing platform, which has been independently audited and categorized under one of the most rigorous security compliance standards. If this is the level of security you've been looking for, then you can get a Qustodio subscription with our special deal by using the link in the description. Taking their security measures a step further, Qustodio states compliance with privacy regulation. Since the company is based in Spain, it complies with the General Data Protection Regulation, as well as the Spanish Organic Law on Data Protection. These laws have strict requirements around data privacy, access request, and confidentiality obligations, making it one of the best parental control app options for families. An important note for iOS users, since Apple doesn't allow apps to directly read call logs or SMS data like Android does, Qustodio may ask for the password used to encrypt your phone's local backup on Mac or PC. Instead, Qustodio reads that information from the encrypted backup file, which makes the process more secure overall. Keep in mind, this isn't your phone's unlock code or Apple ID password. It's the separate password created for local backups in Finder or iTunes. Wrapping up the security segment of this Qustodio review, the app hasn't experienced any data breaches in the 14 years it's been around. For a company handling a child's live location, activity, and family account data, that clean public track record is a meaningful trust signal. And remember, you can get a discount on all these protective measures for your family by using the link I left in the description. While these heightened safety measures are all green flags, your final layer of security is still your own habits. Even the safest app can't protect a weak parent account, and Qustodio itself has some recommendations for maintaining good cyber hygiene. The company suggests using a strong, unique password and enabling the biometric lock on the parent app if available. Always keep both the parents' and child's devices updated, and be sure to secure access to device settings and accounts. Since the Qustodio Parental Control checks out safety-wise, the next question is simple. Does it actually do the job well enough to justify paying for it? Which protective features are included? And what does it actually do to help keep your family safe? Since the app comes with content filtering, parents can block adult, gambling, violent, or other unwanted websites and apps, while still keeping a visual on general browsing activity. Thanks to the screen time controls, you're able to set daily limits, bedtime schedules, study hours, or even pause internet access altogether when it's time to unplug. Location tools are also included, with live GPS tracking and alerts when your child leaves certain places like school or home. There's even a built-in SOS panic button on supported devices, so kids can quickly send an emergency alert with their live location to their parents. Additionally, the activity alerts feature sends notifications if there have been risky searches, suspicious behavior, or concerning online activity on supported devices. The app works across most major platforms, including Android, iOS, Windows, Mac, Chromebook, and mixed device households through the parent dashboard. Once again, you can save money on your own Qustodio plan by using the link in the description. My final thoughts on this Qustodio app review are that it's one of the best parental control options on the market and includes everything you need to help keep your family's daily habits secure. And since the company follows strict privacy laws and has never experienced a data breach, you can feel confident that protecting your information is a top priority. Thanks so much for watching today's review, and I'll see you in the next one.